Thought I'd come to you today with a quick Pinterest tip on how to set a feature board. Have you ever wondered how to set a feature board? I had wondered how to do that, and this is quite simple. So hi, I'm Angie from LifestyleAnytime.com.au, and I like to come to you with tips on social media, blogging, affiliate marketing, and balance, work-life balance. To me, everything is about work-life balance, and the best way to have work-life balance is to enable yourself to be able to work from home. And it doesn't come overnight. Working from home is something that you do work on. And I've been learning skills on social media, and I would like to now share this little simple tip with you on how to actually set a feature board on Pinterest. So all you need to do to set a feature board on Pinterest is log into your Pinterest account, and once you've logged into your Pinterest account, go over to the three little dots on the right hand side and click on settings. Once you're in settings, go across to your profile. Once you're in your profile page, scroll down and you will see a title saying feature board. When you click on that feature board, it will ask you to choose one of 5 boards or up to 5 boards rather that you can have set as a feature board. And once you set that as a feature board, it will then show on your account as a feature board. So if I scroll down here, you will see that we now have a feature board on this particular account. If I go back up to the settings and over to the edit of the feature board, if I was to add a second board, for example, and I'll just choose one of my own boards for now, goal setting for success, and click save. I then go back over once it has saved to my account, and we'll give a refresh here, and there'll be 2 feature boards set. So it is quite and easy to set feature boards. Many people are using feature boards. It's entirely up to you. If you have feature boards for your products, it's probably a good way to show. So here you'll see I've got a feature board here of habits and goals, and then I can scroll across to the blogs at Lifestyle Anytime. Usually best to have feature boards that actually feature your products and putting your products and services on. That is what I've been advised is the best way to go. Just choose a board that's got your particular products and put that up to advertise. Now I hope you've enjoyed this short little tip. Give me a thumbs up as a like, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will be sharing more tips with you. Have a great day.